Hi there folks, today we're going to be removing the fuel rail on a 97 Pontiac Grand Prix with a 3.8 liter V6 engine, normally referred to as the 3800 Series 2 engine. And the first thing we want to do is we're going to disconnect the battery. Actually the negative side of the battery, we're going to disconnect that. Okay, first thing we want to do is disconnect the negative battery terminal. But before we do that, we'll put on as always, our safety goggles. And to disconnect the battery terminal, we can use either a combination wrench, a 5/16 combination wrench, or a 5/16 socket with a ratchet. So in this case, we'll use the 5/16 socket, and this is important. You want to make sure you disconnect the negative battery terminal. You want to pull from this area here, from here, not from the wire, because then you'll end up with a wire in your hand. They're not very strong, and then they also get a little brittle with age. So you want to pull from this way, so make sure that you don't break off the wire right at the connector here. So we'll get our wires out of the way here. And we'll be also removing the fuel lines here, or the harness. And we're not gonna remove the fuel injectors or disconnect any of the fuel fittings, so you won't have to worry about fuel pressure or any of that, or any fuel spilling. So we'll disconnect the whole fuel rail, and we'll move it aside so we can get to the plenum. And also we may want to disconnect any of the connectors that are next to the plenum, and also the fuel injector connectors. This clip here, and the correct way to do that is to get a hold of your screwdriver, and you want to push, and instead of pulling on the clip, don't pull it here because it's gonna spread it and damage it. You want to push on it, and then pull it up from the side as you push. Pull out one side, and then you can take it out very easily without damaging it. And then you can pull off the connector. If you have a clip, you can just pull off the connector. Okay. And we'll also have to remove the fuel rail that hold the fuel rail down on the manifold. We'll remove that nut and this other one here. This nut here. And there's another two more on the back side, just like that. There it is right there. That one here. That nut here, and the other one right here on this. You can get your shot of that right there. There's another one right here. Go through the back ones. And those are also, I didn't mention, 10mm socket on that. Once you have those loose, you can simply pull on the evenly on both sides on the fuel rail, and the whole thing will come off. And just make sure you have all your connectors off. And vacuum lines, such as this one, out of the way. You want to disconnect this vacuum line that connects to here. Connects right there to that. Right here to this, if I get you a shot of that. Connects right here. Connects right there, and then it crosses over the plenum to the front here. So you see over here. So you want to disconnect that, and you take that, put it aside. Just take all the connectors out of the way. And right here, you can just detach the fuel lines, pull them up from the holder. And then you can just simply move the entire fuel rail out of the way, and you'll have fuel injectors and all. Just keep the fuel injectors from getting dirty. So I'm going to put it facing up and tie it up or something.
And I think that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. And as always, try to stay clean. Just try.